You know what's funny? It's like when I met somebody, everybody felt like I owed them answers to everything. But it's cool. This how MGK handles the situation. Nah. They be saying, Hills, why you leaving now? You bounce and never come back around. Look, I'm still in the city, I just don't leave the house. But what's this talk about you acting all crazy? They say you getting Hollywood. Fuck them, pay me. I'm saying, you won't even collab with another artist? Wrong, it's just that half of these rappers out here retarded. There's only two reasons why I wouldn't do a song. Either it isn't beneficial or their money isn't long. Damn, it's like that? Unfortunately it is, cause no cheddar equals out to no food for my kids. Hold up, you got a kid too? How old is you? I'm 19, but I deal with grown man issues. Okay, cool, at least we know you not no fool. But you look like a college boy, why you not in the school? Cause I was in the principal's office, it's more than a class. Wouldn't write a letter of recommendation for my ass. See, most of the teachers hate me right along with the kids, cause my reputation outside of the campus was getting big. Bitch, ha. Yeah, it's like that. Oh, it's like that. Okay. Well, I ain't done, bruh. Okay, you're confusing me. I always see you in the hood, but you look like them white boys from Laguna Beach. So what are you? A thug or an Asheroth? I'm none of that, I'm the whole entire catalog. From front to back, the perfect blend like camouflage. Because I'm still me, even when the camera's off. I'm hearing about some things you false like and where you from. So what city is it? Help me understand this, son. Look, I was born in H-Town, raised in the middle.